Hello and welcome to this quick video. Today I want to show you our beautiful Christmas jingle paper pads in two different sizes. Now, this particular 8x8 size is backed by popular demand. Always supremely popular. But this year we actually, for the first time, we have 12x12 available for you as well. Now, these pads are beautiful. Let me show you some of the designs, and you're getting 12 different designs in this collection. Now, when you look at these two sizes, you can see that the print, the actual design, varies slightly. Obviously, we've got the bigger size, so we've got the bigger images. Now, so let me just take you through each design in each size. Now, this is the beautiful, I love this, Let It Snow. Very gentle, absolutely amazing and perfect for so many different creations. Love it. Beautiful gold shade, and of course, the same size, the same design in 8x8 as well. Now, as always, dots, loads of beautiful Christmassy dots in obviously two sizes. Delicate, obviously a little bit more bolder, depending what you like. Now, our next design is this one. Absolutely beautiful. What I love about these pads is the ability to be able to trim my design as and when I need them in any area that I basically choose to. And of course, every time you do some trimming for your creations, you will end up with this beautiful area somewhere there, little scrap that you could use in your creations as well. Another beautiful one here. And I just love them. A little bit of music, traditional colors, lovely images, just timeless. I would say these pads are timeless, and I'm really not surprised that they've always been so popular. So there you have it. Next design. These beautiful fern branches. I mean, you could obviously snip them out. You could use them in your arrangements. You could use one, you could use obviously the whole sheet, whatever you choose to do. And of course, that's what we like in our beautiful world of crafting. So next design is this one. And perhaps I should also tell you that you're getting 4 sheets in each design. And that means that in total, you're getting 48 sheets of beautiful, beautiful card in each pad. So 12 designs, 4 sheets each. Now look at this one. Absolutely love this one. Beautiful gingham, beautiful border, a tiny amount of music. Again, fantastic design for tearing, adding little elements to your other quick and easy cards perhaps. Now we're also having the beautiful poinsettias, which are, as you can see, stunning. Now these can be 3D'd if you wanted to, or left within the mount if you like. Now, couple of details obviously I need to mention is the quality. Quality of these pads is second to none. Okay, it's absolutely amazing because you do not get these designs printed on paper. This is a 250-gram card. So you can see how sturdy, how fantastic it is for... Let me fold it very quickly and you can see it for yourself. Just a quick fold, literally with my fingers, and we're getting this beautiful 12x6 size card if we wanted to. So yes, if this is my 6x12, then you can imagine how lovely, obviously, the 6x6 card would be. And just very quickly, I'm just going to show you a simple cut with my pair of scissors. I'm not obviously worried about wasting this card because I know for a fact I will be using it very soon in my projects. So we've got, look, quick and easy 6x6. So this is your front if you choose it to be your front, or this. Okay, you can have it obviously kind of landscape or portrait, however you choose. But this is the quality of the card, 250 gram. So I love it for die cutting, absolutely perfect. Now, next design is this beautiful wood effect, which is perfect, goes beautifully well with our obviously traditional colors. So a little bit of brown, it just breaks the colors obviously a little bit as well, but brown is lovely. We've got this wooden sort of feel to them. And let's not forget that our next design will be combining this beautiful wood effect with some fabulous snowflakes. So look at this one. Isn't this amazing? I'm absolutely loving it. So take a little bit of your traditional colors into the mix, okay, combined with brown. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And actually, this particular design goes really, really well with a Starry Night die collection, where you're getting several beautiful snowflakes in that collection as well. And another stunning design is full of poinsettias. So touch of music, obviously in the background, but these poinsettias are great for obviously cutting them out, fussy cutting, and maybe 3D them if you wanted to do that. Obviously, we've got 4 sheets. I mentioned that. And the small ones could be a part of your arrangement if you choose to, or even the large ones. Obviously, we have 4 sheets to play with. So wonderful, wonderful design. And of course, the next one is giving us the beautiful shade of green. Again, slightly crackled, slightly with the wood effect. So we've got obviously that to play with as well. Beautiful. Absolutely love this part collection. Beautiful. And then, of course, we have these. These two, obviously, just music, but nice, delicate, soft color that once again works really well with our traditional colors. But let's not forget, you could use obviously other beautiful cardstock that you no doubt have in your craft stash. So this is our last design in our paper collection, and you can see 4 beautiful sheets. Fantastic. And before I show you a few of the card samples, I wanted to let you know about our Facebook Live this Friday, 8th of November, and we will be launching our brand new collections. Obviously, there will be Christmas Jingle paper pad, there will be obviously a Starry Night die collection, and it will be at 7 p.m. So don't forget, Friday, 8th of November at 7 p.m. on Anna Marie Designs Creations Facebook. And now, very quickly, I'll show you a couple of cards using obviously the Christmas Jingle pad collection. And this is one of the cards that you can see. Now, these beautiful messages that are used here to create the background, they are actually from a Jingle messages, which are fabulous, decorative, and they have wonderful messages. Now, that's another one. So you can see the 2 different, obviously, wood effect card in this design. The plainer side and obviously more ornate with the snowflakes. And of course, this one as well. So, and finally, obviously, the one that I mentioned that is one of my favorites. So, loads to play with, beautiful designs, fantastic quality. I do hope that you will be able to join me this Friday at 7 p.m., 8th of November, for more inspiration and for more ideas. Well, thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye for now.